in this box I have the Breeo X series in the 24-inch size smokeless fire pit. This is going to be an unboxing and a quick look at this, and I'm also going to take the time to patina it faster instead of waiting for the weather to do that. So inside here there was that cardboard top that you saw me throw to the side. There's this foam wrapping around it. There's some information, a sticker, in the fire pit. This weighs between 70 and 80 pounds, so it is a little heavier to do by yourself, but it is possible. It is a little easier with two people, and it's about 29 inches wide. For the Breeo smokeless fire pits, there are a couple options. The X series has this sear plate that you can cook on it, and it curves as it heats up so the grease runs to the center. The other one is all stainless steel, doesn't have this. Where this one, the top sear ring is stainless steel and the legs are stainless steel. But these side panels are made out of what's called core 10 steel that rusts naturally with weather and creates an oxidation layer. It's a similar metal that they use for bridges, and that will naturally get a oxidation layer of rust over time, or you can speed that process up to get a patina sooner. I picked this model specifically for the look. I like the patina look on the side panels versus the all stainless steel. I didn't really care about the cooking, though I probably will use that. And this also has a port on the side for their outpost grill system that puts a grill above this for cooking over the fire as well. In the bottom of the box here, there was a big chunk of styrofoam that this was in. I wiggled the legs out so I could lift it out by myself. So on the inside here, you can see this X channel, which has the primary air coming in on the side. So even with ash buildup in the bottom, you're still getting airflow. On the top here, you can see the holes for the airflow that's going between the two walls, and it comes in between the walls on the bottom. And then that's the hole for attaching the grill accessories. So I got the fire pit set up on a couple pieces of cardboard because I'm going to work on the patina, which is going to cause rust, and I don't want that dripping all over the driveway here. The first step is to degrease these side panels of the core 10 material, so I'm going to take some soapy water and wipe them down. Then once that soapy water has dried off, we're going to take some white vinegar in a spray bottle, spray it on those panels, avoid getting on the stainless steel. If we do, we'll just wipe that off. Then we're going to let that dry before proceeding to the next step. So lastly, we're going to take 2 ounces of the white vinegar, a tablespoon of the salt, and 16 ounces of hydrogen peroxide, and mix that up to finish spraying it off. And again, making sure to wipe off the stainless steel. I'm going to wait for this white vinegar that's on there to dry, and then I'll start spraying this. So it's the next day, and I got a good patina going on this. I used the rest of that solution to spray the sidewalls as it dried off. And I did do a fire last night, and for the first fire, I'm impressed so far. I'm going to follow this up with a full review once I've gotten to use it a few more times. So subscribe to make sure you're notified when that happens. But so far, I'm impressed.